Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check internal storage of our phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings of our phone here, then go to about device, and here you can find storage option. Just you can see that maximum storage is 256 GB. Okay, out of 256 GB, 30.8 GB is used. Okay, so you can understand that your phone has 256 GB internal storage. Also, you can go to files. Okay, go to files, and here check for internal storage. Okay, here just check internal storage. It will be showing 223 GB free storage will be showing, so it should be above 226 GB. So maximum it will be, next option is 256 GB. Okay, so in this way, in these two methods, you can check how many internal storage your phone has. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.